Hello friends, welcome to the channel Pharma for You. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell icon for getting more updates on our upcoming videos so you will get the notification.
The channel. So today in this video we are going to cover some questions which is very important for your railway pharmacist exam. So here we have a first question is the form specified to obtain a retail license to sell the Schedule C and C1 drugs is, and the options are, option A is 20, option B is 28, option C is 21, option D is 21A. This that Schedule 20 is that issue of license to sell, stock or exhibit for sale or distribute drugs by retail other than those specified in Schedule C and C1 and 20. This is included in 20, where 20A is issue of restricted license to sell, stock or exhibits for sale or to distribute for drugs other than those specified in Schedule C and C1 and X20A, where Schedule 21 is issue of license to sell, stock, exhibit or for sale by retail or distribute drugs specified in Schedule C and C1 21. So, and where 21 is issue of restricted license to sell, stock or exhibit for sale for drugs specified in Schedule C and C1 21A. Students just try to observe very clearly that what are the differences between these schedules. So moving on, the next question, which is the longest station name in Indian Railways? And the option A is Kanyakumari, option B is Venkata Namara Simhara Juvira Peta, and the option C is Kharagpur, option D is Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus, and the option B is the correct answer. As we all know that, as we all can see that it is the longest name, so it is the longest station name in Indian Railways. Now the third question is the ABO system of blood grouping are discovered by, and the option A is Carl Fisher, option B is Linnaeus, option C is Mayer, or option D is Carl Landsteiner. So the ABO system of blood grouping are discovered by which scientist? And the correct answer is Carl Landsteiner. The ABO system of blood grouping are discovered by Carl Landsteiner. So here we have a just description that the marked the discovery of first blood group system, that is ABO, and earned Landsteiner a Nobel Prize on this. Landsteiner explained that the reactions between RBC and serum were related to the presence of markers on the RBCs and antibodies in the serum. So moving on, the next question, Kore-Bakshi-Shibata reagent is, option A is pyridinium salt of dichromate, option B is a mixture of anisole with phosphorus pentasulfide, option C is R2CuLi, and option D is chiral catalyst derived from proline. So Kore-Bakshi-Shibata reagent is, and the correct answer is, that is chiral catalyst derived from proline. That is the option D is the correct answer. So let's discuss with the help of description that what is Kore-Bakshi-Shibata reagent and what are the other reagents is. So first, talking about the Kore-Bakshi-Shibata reagent, or Kore's oxazoborolidine is a chiral catalyst and it is derived from proline. Students, just try to memorize that it is derived from the proline, and it is used in enantioselective boron reduction of ketones, asymmetric Diels-Alder reaction, and 3+2 cycloadditions. Just try to understand the applications of this reagent, students. And next one is cone froth reagent. It is a pyridinium salt of dichromate with C5H5NH hold twice CrO7, and it is a strong oxidizing agent and oxidizes primary and secondary alcohol to aldehydes and ketones respectively. So it's all about the Kore-Bakshi-Shibata reagent and Cornforth reagent. Coming on the other reagents, next one is Lassen's reagents. Is a mixture of anisole with phosphorus pentasulfide heated to remove all H2S, and it converts a carbonyl group to a thiocarbonyl group, where Gilman reagent is a lithium and copper diorganocopper compound R2CuCli, and it is used to convert Rx to RR. Students, just try to learn these reagents with their applications, because sometimes the question may also ask from any reagent. So these are very important ones. So moving on the next question, aim. So next question is that the aim of the pharmacovigilance is, and the options are, to monitor drug toxicity, to monitor unauthorized drug manufacture, to monitor rational use of drug, or to check and control drug cost. So what is the aim of pharmacovigilance is? And the aim of the pharmacovigilance is to monitor drug toxicity. That is, option A is the correct answer. So let's learn something new about the pharmacovigilance, that what is actually pharmacovigilance is. Pharmacovigilance is a branch of pharmacology related to the detection, assessment, understanding, and prevention of adverse effects. Or any other possible drug related problems. It also includes herbals, traditionals and complementary medicines, blood products, biologicals and medical devices. And in India, CDSCO launched the National Pharmacovigilance Program in November 2004. Students, sometimes the question may also ask that which body just launched the National Pharmacovigilance Program. So the correct answer is CDSCO. So it's all about the pharmacovigilance. Moving on the next question. Mean arterial pressure is, option A is systolic pressure minus diastolic pressure, option B is diastolic pressure plus diastolic pressure by 2, option C is diastolic pressure plus 1 by 3 into pulse pressure, option D is stroke volume and heart volume. Students, these types of questions are very important for your railway pharmacist exam. So the correct answer is the diastolic pressure plus 1 by 3 into pulse pressure means atrial pressure means diastolic pressure plus 1 upon 3 into pulse pressure. So moving on the next question, that match the scientist awarded with the Nobel Prize with their contributions, and the options are Alexander Fleming, these are the Kobica, Benting and Black, and here we have an option that first one is GPCR, second one is beta blocker, third one is penicillin, and fourth one is insulin, and these are the options. So which one of the option is correct? So according to their inventions, or according to their award with the Nobel Prize, according to their contributions, so the correct answer is, that is C. So according to C is the Alexander Fleming discovered penicillin, Kobica discovered GPCR, Benting discovered insulin, and Black discovered beta blocker. So let's discuss with the help of explanation here. Alexander Fleming, discovery of in penicillin in 1945. James Black's development of beta blocker, that is propranolol, in 1988. Frederick Banting and John McLeod, discovery of insulin. And where Robert and Kobikalika, studies of GPCR in 2012. So this is all about the years. So next question is, as per Schedule M, what is the minimum required area for the type for the capsule manufacturing in the manufacturing premises? Option A is 150 meters square, option B is 60 meters square, option C is 30 meters square, option D is 25 meters square. So as per Schedule M, what is the minimum required area for the capsule manufacturing in the manufacturing premises? And the correct answer and the correct area is, that is 25 meter square. Now the second last question of this video, students, what are the three basic steps of conventional polymerase chain reaction? And the options are, option A is denature, anneal and standard displacement, option B is denature, anneal and extension, option C is stand displacement, synthesis and release, option D is reverse transcription, anneal and extend. So what are the three basic steps of conventional polymerase chain reaction? The three basic steps are, first the denaturing is done, second one is annealing, and then after that extension, means to extend something. So moving on the next question and the last question of this video, that Tinea captatus is a ringworm infection of, and the options A is feet, option B is groin, option C is head, option D is nails. So Tinea captatus is a ringworm infection which occurs on the head. Actually it occurs on the head and is a fungal infection, students. So various types of drugs that like ketoconazole, antifungal drug, it is a broad spectrum antibiotic or antifungal drug which is used in these types of infection. So students, this is all about this video. So please, if you just like the video, please hit the bell icon and do subscribe on our channel for getting more updates on our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.